Adekunle Gold fan. I am a large, huge, massive Adekunle Gold fan. A very massive one. So for this video, we come out over the weekend. So I personally am very, very excited. Now, my guy. But anytime when they look at you see they do me, oh my God, Adekunle Gold. You know understand?
Celebrate it. Celebrate it.
You get. That's how much I really, really... Because the guy, they sing. I know it's a bit,
unique.
No lie.
He's unique. He get your own style. He get your own pattern. He don't follow the remaining way. They like the one I like for most of his songs, aside from the love, the way they sing.
And the music. What?
No, that one. I will call the music, you. What do you talk about that place?
Empty barrel, no man.
Is it
Enuoshe? Mouth no do one.
Okay.
And he will call the music.
No, I like that song. I like that song. Very unique guy.
Very.
And if you see videos, he always make her unique. See that motto, 19 blend between clothes and when they always, very correct guy.
Except that, no lie. It's not really a stage.
Lori stage, no.
Now because people don't love the guy.
Now the music now they sell for it. Yeah. If not, if it's a personal song,
it's not really.
It's not a gym on stage.
It's not adhesive.
No. Adhesive.
Sorry, no verse.
The corrosiveness is not very okay.
It's not very okay. It doesn't quacks your mind.
You get one guy who sent us a message for Twitter.
Say,
I don't like your show. I don't like
sorry. You're a troll. See them up and down. All right.
People will love us plenty.
Guys, you are just one out of many, so you can be ignored.
No mind that. Very ignored.
If you give us good reasons, maybe. But as long as you don't give reason, you can be ignored.
No problem.
Yeah.
No problem. We can ignore you. Even not everybody even love God. So.
At least you even comment. Thank you. All right, so my name is Golobi. Welcome to Paddy. After yesterday, Independent Show.
Yes, sir. How now holiday?
You know, say. Now every independence, now to me that they make money.
My sister.
The guy tread the whole weekend. For what? See. Even everywhere you go, here we are. Here we are up and down. Here we are up and down.
That's the reason why you need to pray personally. Say, God, that idea.
That one idea.
They bring me money, they come. Because every October 1, this guy must blow.
The same thing with every new year. J1
they blow. This year. So you have to think creatively.
That is it.
Say, God, give me the idea that going to bring the money for me steadily
at this particular point. One song for June 12th. So every June 12th we go to blow.
Let's say we go do that one. Or something, God will open our head and put it inside there.
You understand?
You think the same way too.
Think outside the box. All right? Come out for your comfort zone. Do something a little bit extraordinary so that you go, at the end of the day, you go just pass through, go just walk past life. Yes. You will actually pass through life. You will live it and you will enjoy it. All right, we'll go on a short break and then when we come back, we took mouth for matter. We no consign us, but we must tell you. Yeah, that is the thing.
Sorry. We dey come back.
And we are back. All right, so, Ogola, you don't like my combination?
I don't understand them.
I will explain it to you.
I don't understand them. It's a sporty feel.
I will explain it to you. You know, I realized that this, I don't know whether not this week or next, maybe like not this week, Beniam, these people they play ball. Beniam. Then they come Nigeria, come find talents.
Oh.
Then they come find talents of people that can play ball.
Okay.
Yeah. They are coming.
That will not make you enter inside the Jesse mode.
I'm promoting it. And then the code where they display, I can't take it anymore.
Well, for people that we don't know. No. Freezer we did like this.
I can't take it anymore. Not today. And you don't say I get my nose they run before I go on top of your body now.
That one we do last time.
So let me just arrange myself. You know, since I just package them, it be like top or skirt.
It's good.
I just package and can't garnish and with chew.
It's good. The people don't understand sometimes.
No. This place could die, It could die. Don't worry.
Anyway, sometimes we get the fashion right. Sometimes we don't get the fashion right.
It didn't really matter.
Any which way, una love us the way we just be. Yeah. And then we'll keep doing our thing to just make you happy in your house. Yeah. All right?
Yeah.
Which camera did you look?
No. Which way make I look? Look 5, make I see.
This one, Abi?
Look 6. No, not 5. Not 5.
So, see, on this show, if you just join us for the first time, we not get
courtesy.
There's no courtesy.
One small courtesy like this. We come to you as we are.
Just the way, just like say we dey gist with you for house.
Yes, that is the thing. Because not every time compose. Sometimes lean back.
Some events they will go over the weekend where people ask of you tire.
Oh.
They ask of you tire. They say where your yawo, where your yawo. People ask of you tire. I say she did. She's fine. She's all right.
You're
she's okay.
On-screen diva.
I can't go jam mommy on Sunday afternoon.
Okay.
The mommy say, now for our guy, baby, this thing.
The same thing with me too.
The mommy, when I call jam, she can say, Mayo, what dog, they wait for her, make it come, he not come back. I want to take a picture with it. Mommy, they watch, and I believe she they watch now. So me, I can't get to sit down. We take selfie.
For morning time.
No, for afternoon.
I've been saying for morning. No, we don't go already go church. And then when we come back,
she also said she wait for you.
Couples go somewhere and be told us where we go. The waka plenty. Now it make.
So mommy, in case they watch, we love you. We love you. We love you. All right, so let's go.
Give her Yandia.
They don't give us Yandia already.
Okay, sorry, no verse. Unsuspecting terrorist watch was abducted by 2 young child girls in the process of snapping picture. I will explain.
What people?
That is now how she go to Tai Chi.
Tai Chi?
Yeah. All this Thailand. Tai Chi,
Taiwan.
Yeah, she go Thailand, specifically Thailand.
Okay.
So, as a terrorist that she is now, she saw 2 Thailand
terrorist, now she be.
As a tourist person, tourist girl.
Terrorist.
Sorry, no verse. As a tourist that she is, it fits into the rhythm.
Terrorist.
Where she be? Sorry. Now she see 2 young girls with them dress full regalia for the Tai Chi attire, Thailand attire, full. So why they talk Tai Chi like this?
I don't know.
The name of one place where they chop. So now she came, oh my God, so beautiful girls. Wow, so peppery, beautiful looking children. Come on, darling of mine. He tell her husband, help me snap picture. Now in they hold her hand. You see as they take the picture. She wear watch, oh. She don't know, say the word don't miss. As they snap that picture, then skillfully, emphasis on professionally, come out the watch for her hand. She don't know. Now as then they look the picture, now she say, watch now. Here's my watch. As me and you they talk now, the husband can't post the picture of these 2 girls. Post them online. Say, see them, oh. Now that's if my wife watch. People come they compliment. Say,
Then see them.
We see them, oh. Some of us don't take picture. Now people advise us say, no take. Some of us we don't get time. But some people can't even come they talk. Say, your own now watch them carry. Don't worry. My own they off my phone. See them.
So they be like, as they be like this, now these twins
small girls,
small children now.
Tiny children.
Native they be.
They don't experts.
Then they use them till they move things.
Child.
You see, that's the reason why people they always fear for roads, for express. So even all these small children, all these small children, you go they fear because some people they use them till they move things.
Yeah.
So they do some kind of bad waka, and then. But you know, say this now, these children in life now, they don't start bad thing for this world. Because
it only takes divine transformation.
As it be like this now, for these children, it don't start.
Yes, now.
It just be like parents, then we always send their children, say, if Auntie Stella come, tell them, say, I know the house. You don't coach those children how to do bad lying. Yeah. So please, as parents and guardians, make we do everything possible to make sure say we train these children them properly. Yeah.
When the pikin can't lie, you call the beat them. I don't know where you learned it from.
Yes.
I don't know where Auntie, now you teach them.
Now you train now.
Now you train them well. You give them better training. Press up.
Even husband and wife say, some children go say, some wife will tell their children say,
don't tell your daddy.
Don't tell your daddy. If your daddy come and they say, where is food? Tell him there's no food. Tell him daddy.
Don't tell him you have
food. You they teach your children the lying. Okay, so make we just say, these small children, they move the woman wristwatch.
Move them.
The woman don't know how far. That means they don't coach them how to take the thief watch.
I say they uplift them. They sleep on, but skillfully and professionally uproot. They absconded with the watch.
And only. Look at them. See the woman, see the hand.
See the hand. You see him.
See where the girl hold the hand. Don't they come out the wristwatch small. Say, and they move the woman wristwatch sharply.
Shy.
Anyway, back to us. All right, so my own gist this morning, you see, we talk about discipline just now. We talk about how parents would say they train up their children in the way that they should grow. You get now, sometimes we need to do things the right way. Even in the training of the children, even in the bringing up the children, in the way we're supposed to bring them up, we also know where to draw the line between torment and punishment or correction.
True
because this one now, this Molly, in it now, so feme. Now for Rivers State, this one happened. The small boy now talks, say, okay, say, since in Papa and his stepmother, now they raise them. Say, they don't ever give out, they say the stepmother don't ever give out food chop. Say, most of the time, they always dey very, very hungry. And because of this one, they always make and say, he go there for house. He go they see money, but at the same time, he no go fit chop. So hungry, they always catch him. Now one day just verse. He see his stepmother 200 naira. Now he collect the 200 naira. He go buy some small things today just to chop, just to do all right. Now the stepmother can't find out. Now they call the beat the boy. They call him thief. The mother they call him thief. Beat him.
Oh, mama or the stepmama?
You see?
Who they beat him? The mama or the
papa? The papa. Okay, actually, now the stepfather, but the woman and mama. Oh. No be the other way around. What talk? Now the stepfather, then the boy now be the woman now be the boy actual mama. Oh. The woman na the boy. The mama now be the real mama. The man now the stepfather.
The issue when he gets now with the man now with the man.
So
the stepfather no they treat her well and the mama is doing nothing about it.
Exactly. So now the 200 naira wey in thief now from his own mama in thief the money. The stepfather can't find out say in thief from his mama, and the stepfather can't they beat him. You know your beat and finish, can't carry the boy hand, can't choke for inside stove.
Oh, come on!
Inside hot stove.
Come on!
As punishment for stealing 200 naira, you took the boy hand on top hot stove. See the boy hand now.
No.
Now cooking be this one, as far as I'm concerned.
What did the mama can do?
They don't talk what the mama do last, but you know how to go be now. The mama go shout again, but last, no matter how it take be, it not supposed to reach like this. It not supposed to reach like this. It not supposed to reach like this. You say, waiting. This is for me. The man is supposed to call him in for questioning.
No.
Because a very, very wrong thing.
This is you don't say if now but you now this man will go jail.
No, the man will go jail. He go jail.
Of course he will go to jail because this is an offense.
He go jail. Of course the guy will go jail.
This is Uma battery.
Now this one a battery.
Under section 222 of
yes, the serial code.
Serial code undecoded.
Or page 47,
yes.
Paragraph 92.
Of the Book of Adventurers.
Yes.
Why you do this kind of thing?
Why will you do this?
No, this is wrong.
It's very wrong.
This is wrong.
No matter how you want to
unacceptable.
Discipline Pekin.
No,
you should not go to this length. Because that means tomorrow now, if you cut the hand, come out.
Yes, now.
If you can take person hand, if you carry your own hand on top stove, how it go be?
You know what I think, Ogolo? I think, say, until then impose some major punishment on top of this kind of people. That's why for inside Kano too, one woman carries just 2-year-old boy Blancos, cut and come out to say because the papa they pay attention to rampass her own children and the picking of the step of the second wife. Why do you do that? Until they impose some kind of law where they show these people strong thing on top of this kind of thing. People will not stop doing it.
Not be say even punish. This will not be punishment.
Yeah.
It's torment.
If you know, say some people sometimes they make me wonder why you they get second marriage, why you they be second wife or stepfather or stepmother. Is your aim to punish innocent children? Because I don't understand why people are so preposterously undefendably economically wicked.
Well, no verse. Even me at the verse.
No, it's unapprehendable.
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, maybe we just go for a break because we don't the vex, natural vex right now. Don't they do us? Don't they opt us for inside our blood? No, blood don't they boil now? Okay, so we'll go for a break right now. By the time we come back, most of that will feed you any gist or don't enter like
sentimental situation.
I mean,
iconically unpresentable.
I mean, you don't.
We cannot come and go and kill ourselves.
This one,
you're loving.
She be there say make the workout. I go the workout.
You cannot come and go and die.
I go the chop out. Now be this guy also. I go the chop that food though. But working out, I go see the workout. No wahala. She be there say make I work out.
Very say
I cannot come and kill myself. You go shock you say they sweat very well. For your mind, they run inside your mind. They run better run. I'm working out.
All right, okay, make I give you the last. Make I just give you the last gist. Now, for all of una wey be so una they accost small pickings them, una they attract them, enter inside your house to touchlight them. I just want to tell you. I want to tell you that by the time you are exposed, your punishment is not going to be of little implication. is going to be of greater value that will be equated to the number of atrocities that you have committed. I will tell you what. So this 20-year-old Bassey Johnson, when they arrest him for inside Egbeda area of Lagos State. Now, this guy, they lure children, small girls, emphasis on girls, enter inside a compound with cartoon. When they enter, you can't rape them. You can't rape them. He's a bloody pedophile. Now, this business guy, where God go catch him? Now, 1 4-year-old girl, she go house, go complain, go tell my mama, say, Mommy, my area is paining me. The mama say, 4-year-old, blood, how come? Now, in the carry and go hospital, to realize, say, yes, her hymen is actually broken. When they talk to the girl, she mentioned Uncle Johnson. Uncle Johnson, cartoon, Uncle Johnson carry me, Uncle Johnson say, we beat me. And you know, say, it's easy to scare small children.
You're threatening, they put fear for their mind.
You know what vex me? Immediately, then go arrest them. You know what annoy me? Waiting one bust my head. When they ask the Johnson, I be one use one obscure word, but because I realized that I have to be professional somehow.
Yes.
That make me they keep quiet, respect myself. Yourself. Because Johnson, the thing why I don't call you for inside my mind. If you know him, you come out for that police station.
What's in contact?
He said now when he talk, now it vex me. He said it's devil work. They say all the one way down they do all of them.
Now all the devil work. All the devil.
All is devil work.
I would say maybe one. I think say one talk saying that again, I seduce them.
No, it devil work.
Now that for clap hand for us. Yeah,
all of them devil work.
Basso.
Do you know the kind of debt you don't put on the life of those children? You are just 20 years old, for God's sake. 20 years old. He just finished an apprenticeship for welder work.
Oh, welder?
And from Akwa Ibom.
They should be saying, right now, so they talk like this, now this is they happen.
Yes, of course.
It's done, they happen, they come since. Only why I help you say government is supposed to carry this kind of matter, make them loud down, make them see punishment on top people their head when they rape small people, when they even rape self. As far as you all do by force or slighting, whether not small, whether not big, some kind of heavy punishment supposed to on top the matter.
Because this is denting somebody's life forever. A little girl, just 4 years old. Are you insane?
And now 2 things they happen with this kind of children. You know, most of the time, God thing will affect them. When they grow up, they either become loose or they no go feel, or they go to the hold themselves, they're rigid. Now those 2 things they happen. So I beg, children future, they're very important. They say make we run, go for laugh, they laugh. No go do laugh, they laugh. Nah. More leave this pedophile matter.
Us on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy. On top Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, we did there for you. Just follow us on all the portals, and we are steadily, readily availability. You know, my English just the glass.
Not hungry.
No, okay.
Not hungry.
Okay, yeah. So have a very preposterous day. So peppers.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.